some dove, busting broncs and ranch rodeos. A staple of the West, like the sage and the buffalo. Always willing to lend a hand, never asked for praise or fame. A shepherd of the land, cowboy is his name. Well, he's old for a young man, he'll hide away his pain, irrigating beneath the blazing sun and praying for some rain. A true romantic and poet too, though he hasn't much to say. He may wear his heart out